Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on message and you just click on it. Then you go down, just keep going down. You come here to GPN indicator. Just click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my GPN indicator disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.